In front of Tidmouth Sheds lies a big turntable, allowing the engines to turn around or switch the track. A turntable can be much more spacious and convenient than a whole bunch of points and loops. There's just one restriction. Engines can only get on the turntable one at a time. Even small engines can't go together, as they would bring it out of balance. One day, Bill and Ben brought some engine parts to Knapford, but they weren't being careful.
Ow! Bill, stop! What is it? We dropped a chain. Oh, leave it there. We can come back later. Well, it's on the tracks. Then push it off.
Ben tried pushing the chain off the tracks, but instead he pushed it into the rail.
Damn it, I don't think we can get it out now. Well, can you go over it? 'Tis a bit bumpy, but doable. Alright then, carry on.
So the chain was left in the rail. No one would notice until Spencer brought his empty coaches over the junction.
Oh! My goodness, what was that? Oh, told you we forgot something. You also told me doable.
The track to Knapford Station and Sheds was blocked, leaving Bill and Ben alone. As it was late, the twins just spent the night at Knapford Sheds, while Spencer and Emily went to sleep in Tidmouth.
I can't believe what these tank engines are able to pull off. Calm down. Tomorrow they'll clear the line and all will be fine.
The next morning, Spencer wanted to leave right away, but couldn't. Donald and I have to go first and do Bill and Ben's shunting duties.
That's right, and Dougie has to come too, to take the coaches to the station once we've prepared them. Better let me out first, as I'm collecting the cranes to clear the line.
So Henry left first. Then Edward. And Donald. And Douglas. As Spencer grew more and more impatient, just like his driver. When Emily left, it was finally Spencer's turn.
At last!
Spencer was being turned around, but his driver had grown too impatient to concentrate.
Huh? What? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
What is it?
Stop me!
But it was too late.
That was one track too early.
Oh. Presently, Henry passed them.
Hey, Spencer. Hey up, me duck.
You think this is funny, do you?
I do.
Spencer hung there for a while, and he didn't like it one bit.
What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor early in the morning?
At last, help arrived.
Hello, big brother. Need me to help you out?
Just pull me back onto the rails.
With pleasure.
Ready? Just pull! MacLeod pulled hard, but Spencer was heavy, though slowly he started to move. But once he was on the rails, he got much easier to pull and MacLeod shot forward.
Oh! Oh, for crying out loud! Of course I will pull you now.
So Spencer did, repeating Mallard's exact mistake. Well, this won't do. If we pull too strong, we shoot forward. Pull too weak, nothing happens. Why don't you try pulling lightly and I'll move my wheels to sort of push you? So the two tried pulling together, but they weren't coordinated very well as Spencer pushed Mallard over the edge. Oh. The two tried and tried again, but with no success. Until... Oh no, what do we do now? Only a small engine would leave enough space to pull us back onto the table, but they would never have the power. Just then, Bill and Ben arrived. The line had just been cleared.
Oh, would you look at that? But this wasn't our fault, was it? Not directly. So, shall we help them? Well, feel free to try, but I'm not putting my hopes up. Right!
Bill and Ben pulled Mallard onto the turntable and stopped just in time. Thanks, you two. I have to go now to my next train.
Would you stay here?
But Mallard was gone. At last, Spencer was on the tracks again. I can't believe I spent an entire day playing tug of war. All because of some derailed coaches.
Technically all because of a loose chain. Now that's what I'd call a chain reaction.
Ah,